first of all, we're going through hand placement during the barbell back squat. It depends, depending on the person and their anthropometrics, basically their limb length. You want to bring the bar as close as you can physically, placing it on the back top shelf of your back muscles. Place at the top. That's the difference between a high bar and a low bar back squat. So for me, I haven't got the best shoulder mobility, so I'm going to go index finger on the ring, placing the bar on the top shelf muscles, and that is the placement of the barbell back squat. Okay, so the next step, barbell high bar back squat, is foot placement. We're going to go shoulder width apart, toes pointing out at 11 to 1. If we imagine you was on a big clock, your toes are pointing at 11 to 1 on the dial of the clock. So slightly pointing out, shoulder width apart, and that is the foot placement of the high bar barbell back squat. Okay, so each set, the next step is making sure our core is activated throughout the lift. To make a good cue for making sure our core is activated is preparing your belly for a punch. The reason we do this is to maximise the lift and prevent any lower back injury throughout the lift. The next step is descending into the full squat. We're making sure our knees are pointing out. We're going to control the movement down. Core is going to be tight, going down. Our knee level is going to go below our hip crease. Once at the bottom of the squat, I'm going to pause, then stand back up. Okay, so now it's combining all the steps together. So first of all, hand placement. Placing the bar, placing your hands as close as you can let you, placing on the top shelf of our back, and wrapping it. Set our feet, 11 1. Core tight, pushing the knees out, sending into full squat, knee hip creases below the knee, pushing the knees out, standing up tall. When driving up, we're going to make sure we're driving through the mid-foot of our foot, similar to the deadlift, so we have even foot pressure throughout. We're not going onto our toes, we're not going to go onto our heels, straight through the middle of the foot.